Have you ever finished a wiring project, only to realize your cable lugs are loose and potentially hazardous? It is a frustrating reality when you lack the right tool for heavy-gauge battery cables. The secret to a reliable connection is the compression method. Unlike standard pliers, a dedicated hex crimper compresses the terminal from all sides, creating a solid bond that resists vibration and pull-out. Check size, compatibility, selected variant, visible material or design details, and usage conditions. These small checks often prevent the wrong purchase. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. This is the HX50B, a manual crimping tool designed specifically for battery cable lugs. It aims to bridge the gap between basic hand tools and expensive hydraulic equipment for the DIY community. Crimping pliers 6 to 50 mm AWG 10:1 appears as an option in the hand tool space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. What stands out is the range. It handles wire from 6 mm superscript 2 up to 50 mm superscript 2, or AWG 10:1/0. This makes it quite versatile for most automotive and small-scale solar power setups. When evaluating a tool like this, look closely at the die quality. You want to see hardened steel that won't deform under pressure. The locking mechanism should also feel tactile and secure, not loose. Because this is a manual tool, the leverage is key. The long handles are designed to make crimping those thicker 50 mm superscript 2 cables manageable, though it will definitely require a bit of arm strength. The listed price is $36.10, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. With over 335 orders recorded and a high rating, this tool has become a popular choice for those looking to upgrade their home shop without breaking the bank. Overall, crimping pliers 6 to 50 mm AWG 10:1 could be worth checking if the details match your need. Review the listing carefully and compare before buying. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Before you decide, make sure the hex size matches your specific terminal manufacturer's recommendations. It is also wise to test on a scrap piece of wire to get a feel for the tool's pressure. At a 50% discount, currently priced at $36.10, it offers a compelling value proposition for anyone who needs to do occasional heavy-duty wiring without investing in a professional hydraulic system. Before treating crimping pliers 6 to 50 mm AWG 10:1 as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If your goal is to get those battery connections tight and reliable, this could be a practical addition to your workspace. Feel free to check the latest details and compare your options before you decide.